Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to show you this new trade that we just got in this week. It's a 2019 NauticStar 223 DC. This boat comes with the trailer. It's a dual axle, easy loader trailer. Black exterior with white accenting. Comes with the bimini top. Yeah, come around the back, we'll hop inside, I'll show you the inside of the boat. Now that we're on the inside of the boat here, first thing you'll notice in the back, it's powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard. Only 93 hours on the engine and boat. You'll notice easy entry with the ladder in the back. You got a little swim platform on either side. Coming into the boat, you'll notice a ski tow pylon. This is a good kind of do-it-all boat. Ski, fish, whatnot. Easy access to your battery switch there on the side. And then you got storage underneath all the seats throughout. Moving up to the dual console side, you'll notice it's got fresh water with the sink. You have a massive side console here. You can opt to put a porta potty in there. There's enough space. And then moving over to the helm, you'll notice it's got the Go 5 Simrad. You got chart plotting, maps. Your gauge clusters on there as well as analog gauges up here. Do have bolstered seating on the captain's side as well. Really nice. Moving up to the bow, you'll notice you have a cooler slot here built in. Real nice. Glove storage here as well. Big ski locker here in the center. Storage throughout underneath all the seats. You'll also notice a large deck portion up here if you wanted to get into some fishing, mount a trolling motor or whatnot. You got the anchor storage, a bow ladder as well. So it's really outfitted nicely for whatever you want to do out here on the water. Great for family outings, fishing, skiing, whatever. So if you guys like it, I'd love to see you here. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Hope to see you soon.